In this lecture, you will learn how you can design the product prints. It means the design that should be printed on the products like t-shirts and mugs and walls and all these things. There is a huge demand of these products, and this is a high ticket service. Like, let's suppose let's search for this product on Fiverr. What's that? Like, yep, a t-shirt design. Here you go, $10, $25, $45 with 1K plus ratings. And if I'll search for pro services, here you go, you have the pro sellers as well, which are almost 320, 380, $350 for each print product, print designs. Okay, and then search for mug design. And again, here you can see it's a huge demand of mug design, and there are a lot awesome services which people are providing. You can also provide these services. Now let's just see how you can do it. Just go to print products on Canva, and here you have a lot options and a lot more options to just design print products. So here you can see you have also a popular category which people are using the most. First of all, it's a wall calendar, then a bag, then banner, then business card, notebook, circle stickers, sweater, and postcard, then hoodie, and t-shirts and all that. Now let's suppose I want to do a t-shirt design. So let's just select a t-shirt. So here it's giving 4 tips for a brilliant tee. Your design will be printed on the front of the t-shirt. Want to see a preview of your t-shirt? Click on print t-shirt, and a lot other things. Let's click on designing. Now let's select t-shirt. Now here a lot our designs are available. You just have to select just one design and that you like, or you can just select it from categories: coffee, music, sports, according to the client's requirement. Let's suppose it's a school. Just select school, and from here you can just select something. Let's suppose I select it for, yeah, best teacher ever. So I want this one, and just select this design. And now if you want a preview of this design, first of all, if you want to change this, what you can do is you can just change the color scheme from here. Let's suppose the school's color scheme is blue and purple, so you can make it blue and purple, or according to the client's requirements. You can just select it, and then to preview it, just select print t-shirts on one side or both sides. Like, it's that for women, for youth it's that, and for toddler it's that, and for infant it's that. Now if you want it like at the side, just you can just preview it, and here you can see you can change it, and here you can see a live preview is available on both sides. So I want to make it smaller, and I want it for the men, and here you go. So that's how it is looking, one side, and you have the design. And now I'll just continue, click share, and download it, and just present it to the client. Or if you want to print t-shirts, Canva is, I think, providing the printing services as well. You can also get the printing services from Canva, but you want it for clients, so you just have to download it and present it to the client. So that's how you can just get it. And how you can design t-shirts, the same way you can design the mugs and invitation cards and all that. And that's all. And now let's just move on to the next lecture.